Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about our special April Whiff Box that is coming on April 1st while supplies last. But before we dive in, hello, if you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So a quick note also before we actually dive into what this video is mainly about, I wanted to mention that we also have a special sale going on our NHL warmers, the large warmers and the mini warmers starting on April 1st. They will be 50% off. So just FYI, if you've been eyeing one of the National Hockey League warmers, they will be on sale starting on the 1st while supplies last. But today we are actually here to talk about the April Whiff Box. So you heard me correctly, I said wolf. We have a special Whiff Box for our furry friends only in April while supplies last. So this is going to mirror the Scentsy Whiff Box, and we will still have a Scentsy Whiff Box available for $35 for us human folk, but we will have a special Whiff Box for your favorite furry friend. So this Whiff Box will be $30. So this one is $30 and the regular Whiff Box will be the $35. The Whiff Box is going to include some special limited edition products that you can only get in this box. So in the Whiff Box, you're getting a Best Buds Suds shampoo, a Freshen Up pup spray, and a Detangling spray, all in our best-selling fragrance, Black Raspberry Vanilla, which is a delicious sun-sweetened dark berry warmed with vanilla. So our Best Buds Suds pet shampoo is not just for your favorite puppy. It can be used with any animal. It's completely safe. It's very gentle. Our dog, Nakota, for example, is allergic to life, is what I say. He's literally allergic to anything and almost everything. But this shampoo is very gentle on his skin. He's never had a problem with it. Our Pets line actually launched back in 2018, I believe. 2018? I think it was 2018. And so we've been using it ever since, and he's never had a problem with this product or the Freshen Up pup spray. He's a short-haired terrier mix, so we have never used the Detangling spray on him. But since he uses a very gentle formula for our pets products, and so this Best Buds shampoo it's sulfate free moisturizing shampoo, includes aloe, sunflower oil, and colloidal oatmeal to gently cleanse and condition your pet while hydrating dry, itchy skin. It is infused with a touch of Scentsy fragrance to leave your furry friend smelling fresh. The Freshen Up pup spray is a deodorizing spray, so you might have heard it also be called like a perfume. For pets, it says, does your doggy need to de-stink? Use this odor neutralizing spray in between baths to conquer those PU moments with a burst of Scentsy fragrance infused with aloe, colloidal oatmeal, and sunflower oil to condition the coat and skin. The No Knot Spot is the Detangling spray, and so we only have used this one out on River. She's a long-haired terrier mix. All three of her pets are mixes because I love a good mutt that I can just bring home. But the Detangling spray is very, very nice, and I have seen other Scentsy consultant friends use this on like their hair and their kids' hair, saying that it works really, really well as well. Polished Pups Unite, this matte busting spray easily removes tangles and keeps dogs looking dapper and smelling fresh with aloe, sunflower oil, oatmeal. It conditions the coat and the skin. So just some quick Scentsy Pets FAQs. Our Pets line was in the catalog for a few years, and then we actually removed it, and now it's only going to be available through limited edition collections, for example, this Whiff Box. But I wanted to go over some of the FAQs with you. So what are the ingredients in our Scentsy Pets products? All Pets products are formulated with aloe vera, sunflower oil, vitamin E, colloidal oatmeal, and other natural and synthetic ingredients. The entire collection is free of sulfates, parabens, dyes, and alcohol, and the fragrances are designated as GRAs, which is generally recognized as safe, which means they're pet friendly. It says, can Scentsy Pets be used on puppies and kittens? Yes, as long as they are 8 weeks or older. Scentsy Pets products were not tested on animals, and all of our Pets products are vegan and contain no animal ingredients or byproducts. Are Scentsy Pets products safe to use on people? Yes, although Pets products are developed specifically for pet sensitive skin, they're safe for human use, so go ahead and try it and we won't judge. That's what it says. The shelf life for Pets products is 2 years, and are Pets products pH balanced for pets' skin? Yes, all Scentsy Pets products are pH balanced specifically for pets' skin. If you are worried about pet sensitivity, apply the product to a small area of your pet before full application. If irritation occurs, bathe your pet to remove the product and consult your vet. But again, like I said, our pup, who always has problems and is allergic to everything, has been perfectly fine with our Scentsy Pets products. But that's just a little rundown on the 3 products coming in the WOOF Box. So again, they're all 3 going to be scented in black raspberry vanilla. You also get a sample of the Best Bud Suds shampoo in our honey and chamomile fragrance, I believe. So I don't know if they're giving out the sample. Maybe that honey and chamomile scent is going to come back this summer or in a future collection as the Pets product, so you can test it out if you haven't used it already. It's actually one of my favorite pet scents. And then you also get a tennis ball, a Scentsy tennis ball in the WOOF Box, so your pets have something to actually enjoy. But again, this April WOOF Box will be available on April 1st while supplies last for only $30. So it is discounted. The full retail value is the $15 for the shampoo, plus 10 for the sprays. So $35, you're getting a $5 discount, you're also getting that sample, and you're getting the tennis ball for your little 4-legged friend. I will be doing pre-orders for this box. If you would like to pre-order with me, please just fill out the Google form link down below, and I will reach out to you to finalize your order, or you could just message it to me on socials. But thank you guys for watching. I would love to hear your opinions down below. But that's it. Thanks for watching as always. Don't want you to join me, and have a great day.